Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on Thumbs Up Stuff. Today we have the Deluxe Stand-Up Weeder from Fiskars. So this is supposed to make de-weeding really easy. So let's put this thing to the test. Check it out. Alright, so you see all these weeds here? This is how easy it is. All you gotta do is basically find the base of the weed. You stick your tool in it and you twist back and look at this. Picks up the weed. You can be lazy and fat just like me. You don't have to bend over. And over here we have a little pile going. And with this, you just eject, weeds come off. All right, so let's do this again. Here's a good one, for example. So we just find the middle of it, stick the tool in it, twist, and up comes the weeds. This is really easy. Okay, now it was a little bit expensive, and this is $50. But $50 is well worth it if I don't have to bend over to take weeds out of the ground. Okay, so we go up here. And in no time we can get an area like this and de-weed it really easily. Pull all these weeds out. Just like that. Alright guys, so thumbs up stuff. I give this de-weeder thumbs up, worth every dollar. Okay, thank you guys very much for watching. Go to Home Depot or wherever they sell Fiskars things and pick one up.